everyone, this is your 7th lesson in Grade 4 Social Science. Today's chapter is India and its neighbors. Now we are going to see our today's topic is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a landlocked mountains country. It lies along the northwestern boundary of India. Its total population is about 37 million. Kabul is the capital and the largest city in Afghanistan. It is about 5000 years old. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. Afghanistan is a beautiful country with snow-covered peaks and cold deserts. Glaciers are an important source for the country's water requirements. Afghanistan means the land of the Afghan. The population of Afghanistan comprises Pashtuns, Tajiks, Hazras, and Uzbeks. Most people follow Islam and a few are Sikhs, Hindus, and Jews. The official languages are Pashto and Dari. Afghanistan is rich in a rare blue stone called lapis lazuli. This stone has been used to decorate royal buildings and mosques. Bangladesh. Bangladesh lies in between the eastern part of India. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a population of about 167 million. The majority of its population is Muslim. Bangladesh is a very young country. It was formed as an independent nation in the year 1971. The currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Bengali is the national language of Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh share the river waters of Brahmaputra and Ganga. Bangladesh has hot and humid climate. It receives heavy rainfall. 2/3 of Bangladeshis are farmers. Bangladesh produces large quantities of rice, potato, mango, pineapple, banana, jute, and tea. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a popular freedom fighter of Bangladesh. Bhutan. Bhutan is known to the Bhutanese people as Dracul or the land of the thunder dragon. Bhutan is a landlocked country located in the eastern Himalayas. To its south, east and west is India and to the north is China. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, which is the largest city of Bhutan. Nakkhaltram is the currency used in Bhutan. About 70% of the country is covered with dense Himalayan forest. The dense forests of Bhutan support abundant wildlife such as golden, langur, snow leopard, tiger, etc. It has high mountains and deep valleys in which the snow-fed rivers flow. Mochu and the Drange Michu are the major rivers. The main occupation of the people in Bhutan is agriculture. Buddhism is the major religion of Bhutan. Gangar Pyunsam at 7,570 meters is the highest peak in Bhutan. It is the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. China. China is situated in East Asia. China lies to the north of India. Beijing is the capital of China. China has the world's highest population of 1.4 billion people. Renminbi is the currency of China. Han is the major group of people in China. The official language of China is Mandarin. It's a standard Chinese language. China has dense forests, mountains, plateaus, and sandy deserts. China's bamboo forests are the only home for the endangered giant panda. China has many big rivers, of which the Yangtze and the Yellow River are the most important. China is the world's largest producer of rice and cotton. China is one of the oldest civilizations. China invented the technique of making paper, the compass, silk, gunpowder, calligraphy, and printing among many other things. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world, which stretches up to 8,851.8 km. It was built to protect the Chinese empire from various attacks. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you the practice zone. Refer your concept book in the page number of 90 and answer the following questions. Practice zone 1. Fill in the blanks. Your A question is, the official languages of Afghanistan are dash and dash. The official languages of Afghanistan are dash and dash. Your B question is, dash is a rare blue stone used to decorate royal buildings and mosques. Dash is a rare blue stone used to decorate royal buildings and mosques. Your C question is, dash located in Bhutan is the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. Dash located in Bhutan is the highest unclimbed mountain in the world. Your D question is, dash was the first country to develop the technique of making paper. Dash was the first country to develop the technique of making paper. Your E question is, Bhutan is located amidst the dash. Bhutan is located amidst the dash. Your F question is, the currency of Afghanistan is dash. The currency of Afghanistan is dash. Your G question is, the capital city of China is dash. The capital city of China is dash. I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.